cruise ship at the center of a deadly hantavirus outbreak has left the West African island of Cape Verde. It's now heading for the Canary Islands.
Yeah, so 3 people on board have died and now at least 8 people are possibly infected. Bradley Blackburn shares new details tonight.
One of our passengers sadly passed away last night.
Cell phone video from inside the MV Hantavirus shows the moment the cruise ship captain informed guests that a Dutch national had died on board.
It happens at sea sometimes. Very sad, very tragic.
The passenger who shot the announcement April 12th says guests were initially told the 70-year-old died of natural causes.
I think most of the passengers are healthy. I'm just hoping them to give the necessary tests.
The man's 69-year-old wife died about 2 weeks later in South Africa after getting off the ship. Argentine officials tell the Associated Press both were likely infected with Hantavirus before boarding while visiting a landfill during a bird-watching trip in Argentina.
We do believe that there may be some human-to-human transmission that's happening among the really close contacts, the husband and wife, people who've shared cabins.
Overnight, health officials in protective gear helped evacuate 3 people from the cruise suspected of having the virus. Nearly 150 other passengers remain quarantined on board.
This is one of those unusual circumstances where hantavirus is spreading from person to person.
Swiss authorities announced Wednesday that a man who previously traveled on the ship and returned home at the end of April just tested positive for the Andes strain of the disease, which can spread between humans. But the World Health Organization says the risk to the public is low.
This is a really unique one-off occurrence, and we're not expecting any further spread.
The Spanish government says the ship will dock at the Canary Islands for a full disinfection in around 3 days. Bradley Blackburn, CBS News, New York.